In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage sales notifications effectively using the HubSpot platform. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to refine your sales process, knowing how to customize your notifications can significantly improve your productivity and responsiveness to potential leads. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot. Ensure you're logged in so we can access the settings necessary to tailor your sales notifications. If you aren't logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen for a small gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu, an essential hub for personalizing your HubSpot experience. Clicking on this gear icon will take you into a more detailed settings interface. Now that you're in the settings area, let's direct our attention to the menu on the left-hand side. Among the options listed, you'll see a section labeled Email. Selecting this option will streamline your access to various email-related preferences, vital for keeping your communications seamless and timely with clients and team members alike. Go ahead and click on Email, and take a moment to familiarize yourself with these options. Next, let's focus on managing those all-important sales notifications. In the same email settings section you've navigated to, there will be a link titled Manage Notifications. Clicking this will present you with a comprehensive list of notification options available to you. This is a critical step because tailoring your notifications ensures that you receive alerts for only the most crucial sales activities. Instead of being overwhelmed by notifications, you can focus on what truly matters and take action promptly on pressing sales leads. At this stage, you can decide which types of notifications you would like to receive. Think about areas such as email opens, link clicks, form submissions, and more. Tailoring these settings finally can help you stay ahead, allowing you to engage with clients at the most opportune moments. It's all about honing in on what drives your sales process forward effectively. Finally, don't forget to save any changes you make to your notification preferences. This ensures that your selections are applied and that your HubSpot is aligned with your operational needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken control over your sales notifications, setting you up for improved efficiency and better customer engagement. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it informative and useful. Managing notifications might seem like a small detail, but it significantly impacts how effectively you manage your sales activities. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy selling.